Students, the astronauts are given a vigorous training to go to space. As you can see, how they are trained, as we discussed, that not only they observe the space through telescope and learn about space, they go for various training because the condition in the space is absolutely different from that of the earth, because in earth we have layers of atmosphere, there is air, but there is no air, you have to wear the space suit. Space suit is everything, they're like a mini atmosphere they are carrying. As you can see, these astronauts, they are taking care of some physical fitness, that how to operate, how to wear, different things are there in their life jackets are there, because if there is something condition untoward condition, then they can, you can see here how this astronaut is taking training, and this is how they are in the space. Okay, they are wearing the space suit. Without space suit they cannot come out of their satellite. So this is how the training goes on. Now in space station there are modules to work and modules to keep them alive. Now when they go to the space, there are means the rocket, they move in the rocket, as we have discussed, they move in this type of rockets, and then the rockets go to the space, and then they are the, you have those satellites coming there in the space. They have those satellite stations where they, you can see these satellites where they are stationed. Now they are come out and they are in the satellite stations, and in the satellite stations they have to do a lot of work. They are not going there for just a joyride. They are experimenting. We discussed whether they are experimenting or finding out information or even taking pictures and all these things they are doing. So in the station there are modules to work and modules to keep alive, because they have to have their food and all this thing. When they move around in the space, how they have to float around, how they have to move around. There's a special way of moving around in the space. That time their body is light, so they need to know how to move around in the space. Okay, this we discussed, that how they are in the, this is the rocket you can see, and that has blasted, and then this is your International Space Station. Now this space station is not the station in your earth, it is in the space where in different countries, a space shuttle, they land over there and they remain there, and you will see everywhere no sky. It is in the space, it is all sky. So these astronauts, they move around, they go around, and they have to wear the space suit, because since there is no air in the space, astronauts have to wear space suits, and this enable themselves to float. They can float around. So this type of things, they know that they cannot walk there. Okay, in space you cannot walk, you have to float, you have to move around. And their job, they have different job, they do experiment, they work outside in the space, that's why they take a spacewalk. But when they are inside the space, they are experimenting, they are taking the pictures, they are taking information, spacewalk and all that they are doing. This is in the space shuttle, as you can see, and they even fix the satellites. Means maybe it is broken or some damage has been created, because they move. There are asteroids and meteoroids in the space, they can be hit by that. And even they work inside the shuttle. They, as you know that when they went to the moon, first time to the moon, isn't it? There were 3 astronauts. Okay. First time when the people went to the moon, and you know that I'll just show you, children, 1 minute, just a minute you give me. As you can see that how they are working out, astronauts in training, see how they are trained. how to move underwater training, they are running, they are doing all physics around, okay, walking on the moon, how to walk on the, this is how they have to float. They are given training to float, because you just cannot float like that, whether you are strapped or that, but you cannot float. So it's the training is given, see how they are moving around in the thing. So all these vigorous training are given, this is there already I have shown you. So children, when they are in the space, some are working inside, some are working outside, some are in the space shuttle. This is your space shuttle. In the space shuttle, you see space shuttle Endeavour landing is coming back. Okay, so these are the space shuttle, and you can see in front of you. So they are either working inside or outside. They are, this is your space station, children. See, space stations. See the astronauts. When they are inside the space shuttle, that time they can wear their clothes which they wear in the earth. But when they are outside, they have to be, because there is no air atmosphere. So this is your space shuttle. The space station was launched in 1971. Since then, a number of stations have orbited Earth. The International Space Station has been built. 16 nations are working together. The largest space station ever built and occupied 2000. So from there, India also is one a part. Here you can see Sunita Williams. She is taking the training, how to move around, how to work. See the space suit. You see Sunita Williams, how they are inside the space, time for work. They are doing all experimenting. Here you can see he is brushing and cleaning himself in the space station. Now here you can see washing the hair in the space stations. So they do a lot of work here. You can see time to bed. This is their bed. You know, there is a video of Sunita Williams. She shows how she does all the things in the space, walking in the space. They do different type of work. You know, they are fixing the satellite, walking in the space, see, making it larger, slowing down, all type of work they are doing in the space. Sometimes they are inside the space working, as we discussed that when Neil Armstrong, he moved into the space. He landed in the space. These are artificial satellites, as we have discussed. This is Mars. We are going to Mars now. So all these things they do in the space. They do the research work, they find out the information about the space, they fix their thing in this. Maybe satellites are not functioning properly, so they fix the satellite, they work on it, they even repair it. So outside, inside, all type of work they have to do in the space, children. And later on, when the work is over, they come back in the space shuttle. Children, remember the rockets are used once only when they go to the space, only these rockets are used. But the rockets cannot be used again, only when they are used in the way that they come back. They use the space shuttle and they come back after their work is over, journey is over. So this is all about the astronauts, how they function in the space. Thank you, children.